Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into an interesting problem that you may encounter when working with arrays in Python. The problem at hand is whether it's possible to remove specific rows and columns from an array using slicing. We'll explore different solutions and alternatives to tackle this problem effectively. In the solution provided earlier, we learned that removing items from an array without either moving all items or creating a new array is not possible. The recommended approach is to use np.delete to achieve this. Additionally, in cases where performance is crucial, using Numba or Cython can help create a new array with just one operation, making it faster for large arrays. It's important to note that Numpy views have their limitations when it comes to manipulating arrays with irregular patterns. So, as we've seen, the solution lies in either using np.delete for a straightforward approach or considering Numba or Cython for improved performance, especially with larger arrays. While slicing can be a powerful tool for selecting specific rows and columns, it may not be suitable for excluding certain rows and columns efficiently. Remember, there's always a trade-off between convenience and performance when working with arrays in Python. In conclusion, when faced with the challenge of removing specific rows and columns from an array, using np.delete or exploring options like Numba and Cython can help you achieve your desired results effectively. I hope this video has shed some light on this common problem in array manipulation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other topics you'd like to see covered. Until next time, happy coding!